Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by building the sheet layout. Enter student names and each assessment as separate columns, then a total and grade column. Once done, freeze the top row and format headers bold so you never lose context while scrolling. Make sure every score uses the same scale, such as 100 or %, because consistent units prevent calculation errors. Now enter a couple of sample scores to test formulas. You'll see why consistency matters when totals immediately calculate. Now calculate each student's total using formulas. You can use SUM for simple totals. For weighted grading, use SumProduct with a fixed weight range so each assignment counts correctly. Once you write the formula for row 2, lock the weight cells with $signs, for example $G$1, $J$1, then drag the formula down. That preserves weights while adapting to each row. Make sure to format totals as numbers or percentages, because display format affects interpretation. Finally, convert totals into letter grades. Build a small grade scale table and use VLOOKUP or a nested IF formula to map numeric totals to letters. Once set, copy the formula down for all students and add data validation to score columns to prevent out-of-range entries. If something breaks, check that your referenced ranges are locked and formatted consistently, and remove stray spaces or non-numeric characters. These are the common causes of failing lookups and wrong results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.